Hello everyone. I've got a demand from my neighboring kids to make them an interesting snack. So I have thought of giving this dish a unique touch of mine with something nutritious. I think I'll have to take help from my bowl companion. Let's see what we get. Cauliflower it is. I'm going to be making Pav Bhaji using Nutrela Soya Granules. So let's begin with the recipe. So I have decided to add my favorite protein-packed ingredient, that is Nutrela Soya Granules, to this dish. Add in 1 cup of Nutrela Soya Granules in boiling hot water. Give it a mix and boil this. It's loaded with 52% of protein and is amazingly healthy. Drain it, rinse it thoroughly with water, and then squeeze out all the extra moisture, and this is ready to use. And now I'm going to start boiling or pressure cooking a few vegetables. So in a pressure cooker, I have 1 cup of cauliflower, 1 potato diced, 1 carrot diced, half a cup of green peas. Add in 2 cups of water. Cover this. Turn on the flame and let this pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. While the vegetables are pressure cooking, I'm going to quickly saute the remaining ingredients in butter and Nutrela Sunflower Oil. You know it is ideal for cooking. It is rich in omega-6 and also fortified with vitamin A and D. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of Nutrela Sunflower Oil. Add in a cube of butter. Turn on the flame. Once the butter starts to melt, add in 1 big onion finely chopped. Cook the onions till they are nice and soft. Once the onions turn soft, add in 1 capsicum finely chopped. Next, add in 1 tablespoon of garlic chutney. Saute the chutney for a few seconds. Add in 4 tomatoes finely chopped. Give it a stir and let this cook till the tomatoes soften completely. The pressure cooker has cooled down. Let's open the lid. Check on the vegetables. They're nice and soft. Mash the tomatoes slightly. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoons of Pav Bhaji masala. Give this a good mix and let this cook for a few seconds. I like my food to be full of flavors, for which I'm using Patanjali spices. The tomatoes are nicely cooked. Add in the vegetables and the water. Mash the vegetables lightly. The vegetables are nicely mashed, and now into this I'm going to add in half a cup of water. Add in salt to taste. Give it a mix. And now into this I'm going to add in soya granules to it. Let me tell you a secret. It does not have any unique taste of its own, so kids won't even know you've added this. Turn off the flame. Add in a handful of coriander leaves. Give it a final stir. This is done. Let's plate this. Garnish with some coriander leaves. This tempting and high protein Nutrela Soya Pav Bhaji is ready. I'm sure your kids are going to love it and demand for more. Do try this at home, comment below, subscribe to Rajshri Food, and I'll see you soon with yet another Nutrilicious soya meal very soon. For a Nutrilicious way of life, do check out the Insta handle, My Nutrela.